And we're good to go. Yo, what is happening everybody and welcome back to Left 4 Dead 2. So, tapos na tayo sa The Passing, yes. So, nandun na tayo ngayon sa Dark Carnival. Okay, so this is the first chapter of Dark Carnival. So, the road to the Dark Carnival. Alright, let's do this.
Over 20 miles of parked cars. I think we're walking.
I guess we walk.
Say goodbye to your car, Elise. Alright, we're back in action.
Hey, Whispering Oaks. Shit, I used to go there when I was a kid.
There as adults.
Well, good point, but we're not going to die there as an adults.
Alone. I just need to say goodbye.
We tight.
Well, this is it. Let's not make it harder than it needs to be. You did good. Thank you.
Wow, I feel sorry for you, Elise. But anyways, let us go now. That car isn't going to stay there for a while. Alright, here's our zombie friends waiting for us.
Reloading.
Dang, ang dami agad. Wait, ang dami.
Step slow, y'all. Boomer around.
Yup. I hear that someone is laughing. Ooh! Natawa. Wow. Ang dami agad ng pasugod ng zombie, ah.
Anyone needs some pills?
Yeah, you all need that. Ang daming daan. At ang daming bangkay. Oh! Sword. Oh, alright. Chainsaw tayo, man. Mamaya yan. Tipidin natin. Kailangan natin mamaya. For sure. Minatawa. Yeah. Teka, reload muna tayo. Akin na yan.
Reloading. Hey, ammo here.
Bit malimit na labas sa likod ng mga special zombies. At naglalag. Sorry for the lag issues, guys. Oh! Whoo! Wow, smoker na pala yun, ah. Hindi ko namamalaya. Grabe ba naman itsura ng ano? ng skin. Woo! May spotlights. Okay, doon tayo lalaga, guys. Kaya baka gusto nyo na sniper. May tank. Mother what? Oh my goodness. Ba't ba lagi sa akin papunta to? Ako lagi ang gusto ng tank. Oh, ano?
I got it.
We got it. Dead. Huntress. Woohoo! Where's the hunter? Where's the hunter? Oh, there's the hunter. Labas! Ay, patay na ata.
Reloading.
Eh! Putik! Kaharap na pala natin! Oh! Ang dami, ang dami! Ge, lapit! Yak! Ge, massacre to. Oh, ano? Ge! Car, don't shoot that car. Bang. Don't shoot that car. Yes, that's right.
Weapons over here.
Yeah, baka gusto nyo ng baril. Diyan tayo sa taas. Yeah, we're going on the walkway. Feel ko delikado malaglag din eh.
Reloading.
Alright. Putik! Kakagitla eh. Woo! Laser.
Reloading.
Oh! Putik. Oh! Talo na din ako dyan. Oh, okay.
Reloading.
Zombies are everywhere. They're everywhere. Pinaiyak. Okay guys, may witch. May witch again. Ang mga special zombies sunod-sunod. Kakaloko naman. Okay, kill that. Where's the witch? Gagamit natin yung chainsaw. Where's the witch?
Down this hill. Looks like a pretty big drop.
Yan tayo. Oh, ito na pala. Okay. Ano, ha? Putik ka. Chainsaw yan, babe. Nice one. Okay. Layo. Gagis tayo nito. Sabi daw nila dito tayo pupunta eh. Okay, sige. Hindi magkagis na tayo din eh. Teka.
We ain't the only ones that thought to take this shortcut.
Alright. Yan.
Look here.
Palakasin yung bala nyo.
This is mine.
Pa mas malakas ang putok natin.
Whoa.
Oh, sayang ka. Aray. Wow, buti walang falling damage yun, guys. Kakaloko naman, sadya ba madudulas kami doon? Woohoo!
You gotta cross the valley.
May huntress. I see her. And nice one. You just killed the huntress.
Reloading.
Oh, kill, bala.
Ammo up here.
Alright. Got the ammo, babes. Let us now proceed. Sa likod ang dami. Sinundan tayo ng mga zombies. That's weird. Okay, so pakit na tayo. Up to the hills. May witch na naman. Oh, yun ang peryahan, oh.
Reloading.
Putik! Huntress. Haha. Chainsaw ka naman sa akin. Sorry. Masyado kong na-enjoy. But anyway, sige. Pasok na agad. Yeah, sige. Oo, sige. Lapit. Ge. Gigilingin ko kayo din eh. Ge. Oh, ano? Sige, lapit. Yeah, okay. Manlalasag nga kayo din eh pag lumapit kayo. Oh, hindi kayo kasama din sa safe house. Oh, ano? Mayroon pa? Mayroon pa? Oh, go. Sige. Yan, ge. Durog sa katawan din. Okay, wala tayong bala. Sunugin na natin sila. Okay. Tapos na tayo din eh. Alright. So, tapos na natin guys ang first chapter ng Dark Carnival. Okay, so nasa peryahan na talaga tayo ngayon. But anyways, thank you for watching guys at abangan na ninyo susunod na chapter or part.